Here's the 29668. You'd think it would be an ivory one, but it's not. Somebody just painted it with house paint and I sanded over that. Blades have been repainted. Base was repainted, really crap, really bad. So this thing was covered in house paint, and I know it's not a good paint job, so I'll disclose that to the customer. But there's the original Japan that actually cleaned up decently well. This thing was very ugly when I got it, but has the oscillator arm, but that piece broke off. It needs to be glued back into place. It's on the other side, but the neck is present. So original owner can glue that on or get a replacement. So enough rambling, and here it is on low. That is the badge vibrating. Oh, it's just that oscillator arm I taped up there vibrating. Fan's not oscillating, it's just vibrating a little bit. So let's move a lot of air. It's actually a lot quieter than my 27668 model, which is surprising, but the 29648 models do move more air than this, but this is a lot quieter. This is usable at night. This is the point. These are residential fans. Getting a little annoying, but the neck is very loose, so which is good. It's been lubricated, but here it is on high. And that is the desk vibrating, but 100 watts, well within spec of this fan. Too. Old one was pretty rough, which barely shakes.